Combined marriages of underprivileged Christian girls. Respected Sir/Madam. Good day. I stand before you today on behalf of LifeBridge Foundation, a Christian, faith-based organization committed to uplifting underprivileged communities across Pakistan. Guided by our motto, the stamp of quality and professionalism, we are dedicated to bringing hope, dignity, and practical support to those in need. Today, I want to share with you a heartfelt initiative. A combined marriage ceremony for 50 underprivileged Christian girls. In many struggling families within our community, parents face extreme financial hardship. The rising cost of living makes it difficult to afford even basic needs, and arranging a wedding becomes an overwhelming burden. As a result, many deserving young women are deprived of the joy, dignity, and stability that marriage can bring. At LifeBridge Foundation, we believe every girl deserves a beautiful and honorable wedding day, regardless of her economic background. To address this need, we are proposing a combined marriage ceremony that will provide a properly arranged venue and decoration, respectable wedding attire and accessories, meals for guests, wedding cakes and essential gifts, photography and videography to preserve memories, a joyful yet dignified celebration. The total estimated cost for organizing this blessed event for 50 brides ranges between PKR 3.45 million to 4.8 million. This initiative is not just about a wedding ceremony. It is about restoring dignity to families, strengthening Christian community bonds, reducing financial stress on widows and low-income parents, promoting social harmony and compassion. Beyond this project, our organization actively works in education, youth empowerment, women's economic independence, interfaith harmony, and support for widows and orphans. We are committed to creating lasting, meaningful change. Today, we humbly invite you to partner with us in this noble cause. Your financial support can transform lives, bring joy to 50 families, and create memories that will last a lifetime. All contributions will be properly acknowledged and transparently managed. Together, we can turn tears into smiles and burdens into blessings. Thank you for your time, your generosity, and your heart for humanity. We look forward to partnering with you to make this vision a reality. God bless you.